Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to distance learning. Hopefully this video is going to help you figure out what this is going to look like. So I'm going to kind of walk you through Schoology, tell you about my expectations, all that jazz. And then I'll be available, hanging out. I can answer emails. And then if you want to chat, we can do that video style or just voice, whatever you need. I can share my screen with you. You could share yours with me, and then we can figure out any problems that come up. So always start with email. So if you go to Schoology, go to your Earth Science or Physical Science class, and you're going to see week 1 pop up there. Okay, so I'm going to do this every week. There'll be a folder, and you will be able to see what's there for the week. I have these folders set up. So in the title, it tells you when they're due. We're going to have due dates on Wednesdays and on Fridays. Okay. So the first lesson is going to be due on Wednesday. Oh, and I have a little error there. That should say Friday. I'll change that. But you'll go in, you'll be able to see on here what you can do. So right now they're unpublished, so you can't see this material, but you will be able to open it. There's a video in that lesson. Okay, so there's 2 things. Directions will always be there. Sometimes throughout, if there's different pieces to lesson 1 or 2 for the week, there'll be one directions video. Sometimes I'll split them up, but I always attach them to the assignment. So that'll be the first link in there. So this is a video of me doing a screen share, right? So it's on YouTube. You can link there. You got to sign in. Anyone who has a link can see it. So that walks you through the assignment. There's going to be directions written. Okay, so directions written right here. And then also the directions verbally, and so that you can see it. In the future, I'll do directions videos with my face down here, and then also on the screen, because I just figured out how to do that. And your first assignment here is not really science, but it's just how do you learn something from a video. So same as always, the submissions button will be over there, and you'll be able to add, in this case, you're attaching a video of yourself, and then there's another part later. So that's in all the directions. So week 1 will be all seen here. I'm also going to put some updates, okay, over here. So there'll be updates here, just kind of like they were before. So you can see updates. I may attach a video like this saying welcome and hello, and there'll be a little something in that update section. If I notice a lot of people having issues, I will probably make another video and attach it or adjust something. So just be paying attention to your updates for this class, but for sure check in the beginning of the week. The whole week's assignments will be there, and you can do them in whatever speed you really want. So the first part's due Wednesday. Lesson 2 will be due on Friday. They are set so that you can't complete them out of order. So you have to go with the lesson at the top first. Okay, do this one. Once that is turned in, then you'll be able to open up the discussion post. Okay, and do that. Once that's done, then you can move on to lesson 2. Okay, and everything is in there. All right, so that's how Schoology is going to be set up. I'm trying to make it pretty straightforward and seamless for you. But we are going to start with astronomy, and we'll see how far we get. What I really want to say is that I don't want you to be overwhelmed, and I don't want you to not ask for help. So number 1, pretend as though you're in class, and if you have a question, instead of raising your hand, you're probably going to have to send me an email. Okay, so you can do that through Schoology. The second thing is, if you're in class and you're sitting next to your class mates and you have a question, some of you like to whisper over to them instead of ask me. So you can message your classmates through either whatever platforms you have available to you. I think there's a way you can do it through Schoology. So if you want to ask your classmates instead of asking a teacher first, please do so, but don't just stare at the screen or give up. I'm available like all week during school hours to help you out. So please, please, please take advantage of that. I don't want anyone to feel overwhelmed or like they can't do something. So automatically just send me an email if you've tried a few things and can't figure it out. I miss you all. I wish we were in person. And I will see you